Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. How you guys doing? I missed talking to you, but I'm here today, and in this video I'm going to be doing a full review on the new collection by Rival Loves Me. They did a collab with Maxim, and I have the products in front of me here. I will be testing them so you can see on how they look like. Before I begin applying the goodies on, I just want to say a huge congrats to Maxim on this collab. Not that he's watching this video, but if he is, I'll be so happy. But anyway, you guys, yeah, a huge congratulations on the this collaboration here. Now let's get on with the video, and we are going to begin with the lip gloss. This one right here is the lip gloss, you guys. It is the chocolate lip gloss. I love the packaging, looks really cute, and we are going to begin applying this one on, and they are super affordable, by the way, you guys. All the products super affordable. I'm going to have the prices on the screen, of course, so you can see how much they retail for, and you can pick these ones here, of course, from Rossmann if you are based over here in Germany. Let's get on with the lip gloss, and here we go. All right. This smells very chocolate, you guys. Oh, I love the smell of this. All right, so the color looks more like a nude kind of color. Okay, just go. Oh, it's very sweet. To just went into my mouth a little bit. Smells really lovely, by the way. Now this looks beautiful on its own, but knowing me, I would definitely use a lip liner so that just everything blends together. You don't have to, but I will, of course, just a little bit, like so. So that's how it looks like on. It looks nice. You can definitely, you know, wear this one here on its own, or you can apply it on top of a matte lipstick. I think it will look beautiful. I love the creaminess. My lips are definitely moisturized, nourished. I love this, and I just love the smell too. It smells very chocolate. So that is our first product. I am definitely happy with this one here. The next product, you guys, I want to do is, of course, the eyes, and I picked up this liquid eyeshadow. Now he does have two shades, but I only got one because I feel like I'm going to use this one a lot, especially this shade here. But I did swatch the other shade in store for you guys. I'll pop a a little clip somewhere so you can see on how that shade looks like. But let's go on with this one here. And okay, there's no scent there. What I'm going to do is, I have already applied a matte eyeshadow on my eyelid, of course, and I'm going to just pop this one just on top. Oh, wow. Oh my, what? Wow, that looks stunning. Wow, that looks beautiful, this color, you guys. Do you know what? You can use these ones here as liners as well. You can, make like a wing. I think this will be absolutely perfect for that. Ooh. Oh man, I'm speechless, you guys. Do you see what I'm seeing here? Like, do you see this? It glides so beautifully. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to try and blend the edges. That is full of pigmentation right there, you guys. That is full of pigmentation for real. You know what, I have a problem usually with liquid eyeshadows. Their eyes are very patchy, or they just don't, show colors at all. No pigmentation, But this one here, we have it all, you guys. We have it all. Okay. Oh man, this just became my favorite color, you guys. Can you see what I'm seeing here? Look at this. I love this color. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, we get that right. Now let's move on to the next product, and I have over here the whipped cream, the primer, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this one here, and yeah, let's find out the texture. That have like a freshness smell to it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and just make some dots like so, and have a look. Usually I do have like really large, you know, large pores, and we'll have a look on how it feels really nice on the skin. Really nice. So far I can definitely tell that my face looks quite glowy. You can see that, right? You can see all the glow coming through, and with the oily skin that I have, obviously I need to set this with a powder, but the skin feels quite lovely though, very nourished, and it's almost like the primer is slightly tacky but not too much. From what I'm feeling here. But yeah, as for my pores, I don't think I noticed any difference as to before. Obviously I need to use the product more to see how it's going to perform, but so far I just love the you know, the kind of darkness that comes through. I am going to go ahead and pop the foundation on to see how it's going to work together with the primer, and maybe that will tell us something. And I'm just going and just, you know, pop my Juvia's Place foundation, and I'll be right back to, of course, continue with the rest of the products. All right, you guys, I have applied my foundation and they worked pretty well together with the primer. So far we are doing good. I just want to go ahead and, of course, set this whole interface with powder, because I'm looking a little bit, you know, glowy at the moment. It's almost like a new look for me, you know, but we'll set it with a powder, and hopefully we are going to stay matte after this. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and apply concealer so that we can, of course, test the powder. And I'm just going to take my e.l.f. concealer here, because we need to test the you know, setting powder. I'm quite excited for that one. All right, and I'm just going to quickly mix that up with my Essence one, just a little bit, because this one is a little bit more brighter. And let's quickly blend this together and we can set everything. We can test out the powder. I'm quite excited for the powder. All right, everyone, the time has arrived. It is time to test the powder. Now it says here at the back, flawless baking powder, transparent. Okay, looks like this. It's a little bit big, the packaging, but you can fit this one here in your handbag. I love the design here. Okay, let's go ahead and open it and have a look. And of course we do have more like a fabric here, like a stopper, you know, for the powder. Oh, that feels finely milled, you guys. Wow, so fine. Can you see that? Oh, I like that. Smells lovely. I'm just going to take a little bit and see how it goes. Okay. Oh, that is, oh, so smooth, you guys. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, that definitely got rid of that dewiness on my face. You can see under the eyes, that's how it looks like. And you know what, when I look closer here, I don't see any, you know, any patchiness or anything. You know, sometimes you apply a powder on and you do get this like a mix of powder and concealer together, kind of, you know, and it's not a good look. With this one here, everything looks fine, looks beautiful underneath there, you can see, and I absolutely enjoy this a lot. And I love just how this area here has just become matte compared to this side here. You can see So wow. I also added the same liquid eyeshadow that I applied on the lid right at the bottom here, and it blended beautifully. This color, it's absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go highlighter, you guys. M to the G, the packaging of a heart. Hello. Yeah, inside looks like this. Okay, I am so excited for this one, you guys. You know how much I love highlighters. Like my collection of highlighters, it's like, you know, we shouldn't even open the drawer of highlighters because it's just too much going on there. Okay, but anyway, you guys. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Wow. Hold on, let me swatch it here. Over here, yeah. Oh my. I'm excited already. I am excited for this. Okay, the moment of truth. You guys know how much I love highlight, and the shape stayed, you guys. It doesn't get destroyed. Look at that. Ready? Oh yes. Oh, that's when you know the highlighter is good. Oh yes. Oh man, you guys, I love highlighting, like in all honesty, and for me to get excited like this, the highlighter has to be good. And this, you guys, like, come on, look at this finish over here. It's almost like a wet look, looks beautiful. Wow. And it doesn't add any, you know, like texture on the skin. You know, sometimes you put on highlighters just like sit there, you can see that kind of look I don't like. But with this one here, you can see it everywhere, blended beautifully. Oh yes. I'm happy. I'm speechless. I am speechless. Wow, like for real, you can see this, you know. And it's not like I'm dipping my brush so much in the pan. No, just a little bit, and this is what you get. Wow, this is beautiful. And also you can build this up, you know, it's buildable, so you can go and take some more or use less. It's really up to you. But for me, with highlighters, I usually overdo it. It's just me, it's in my blood. That's how I rock on this channel. But you don't have to be extreme like I am. Okay. Okay, she's excited about highlighter. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going to take actually a little bit of the same highlighter just on the tiny brush, and this is going to be sure the inner corners. In the inner corners, I don't want to overdo it here. Ooh, ooh, okay. Calm down, woman, calm down. We know you love highlighting, but just calm down, relax. She's excited. All right, you guys, we have the finished look, and this right here is how my face looks like. You can see the eyes, the lips, the cheeks. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. I love the look that I created today. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure if I did mention at the beginning of the video that this collection does come with the brush that you can use to apply your body highlighters. I did not pick that one because I have quite a lot of these, you guys, that I bought long time ago, so it was not really necessary for me to add another brush to my collection, especially for the, you know, for the body. But yeah, and also the other eyeshadow that I did not get. If you want to see a review on that one, and of course the brush, let me know in the comment section below. I can do it for you. All right, you guys, now let's get into my final thoughts on the product that I have reviewed in this video, and we are going to begin with my absolutely favorite favorite, you already know. Yes, the highlighter, this looks absolutely beautiful on my skin. I love the finish, I love the glow, and I can see myself using this every single day. It's absolutely beautiful, and for the price, hello, this is definitely joining my everyday highlighter drawer for sure. And yeah, simply wonderful, and the design, everything, I love nothing negative to say about this product here. It's definitely staying with me. I absolutely adore it. All right, you guys, other product, let's talk about the liquid eyeshadow. This, you guys, OM to the G, look how beautiful the eyes looks, you guys. It dried down matte, and I just love the way it blends. There's no patchiness, it glides so smoothly, and it's easy to work with. You can also of course mix with your other eyeshadow like I did over here on top there, and it just works together very well. So I really like this. I really like this, so I cannot wait to continue to use it. I'm happy with that one there. And the powder, of course, yes, the powder also did magic to my face. My face was dewy, and the minute I applied this one, of course, it just mattified everything, and I like the finish. Also underneath the eyes, it looks beautiful, and yeah, I'll definitely continue to use this one as well. And the lips, the lip gloss, you guys, if you love chocolate, I think this would be like really good. It smells chocolate, and it's very nourishing. You can use it on your matte lipstick to add a bit of shiny. You can wear it on its own. I like it, and of course I applied mine with a lip liner. I think it looks more beautiful like that. You can even put like add your whole entire lips with the brown lip liner, and then just add this one on top to get that like a brownie, you know, kind of mixed together. I think it's beautiful. You can really use this one the way you want to use it, I think. But yeah, it's beautiful, it smells lovely, and I definitely will wear this one here. If you are somebody probably who doesn't like to wear, you know, lipsticks or matte lipsticks, I think just a little bit of this to add moist to the lips and also smell like chocolate, then yeah, I'm happy with this one here. Of course, the primer is something that I need to test a little bit more. I did like the way, you know, the darkness that it gave to the face, of course, and of course it blended together with the foundation. I did not have problem, no patchiness, like no moving foundation, everything stayed put. I think I need to do like a wear test and try it with other foundation and see how it's going to work, but so far I kind of like it. These are all the goodies that I reviewed today, and I have to say that I'm quite happy with the collection, you guys. I think Maxim did really amazing job with this collab, and I'm so happy for the products, and I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on this. So thank you so much. If you are still here at the end of this video, I do appreciate you all for watching, and give this video a thumbs up, and of course share with somebody who just loves, you know, affordable makeup but good makeup. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I shall catch you wonderful people on my next video. Take care and bye guys.